miracle morning. I've been for my run. I did 3 miles down a dirt track and then across the beach, and tried to keep my pace up across the beach, but it was super hard. But when I got onto the pavement, it felt so easy. So if you feel like you want to speed up, run on the sand and then run on tarmac, because it makes you go so much faster and feel so much more powerful. Now I'm having my breakfast. I've got the kettle on. I've got some poached eggs, spinach and bread, just because I fancied some bread today. Yeah, then I'm going to Byron Bay for a coffee and I'll walk up Lighthouse Hill, and then I'm off to Brisbane to see my friend for the day. I've heard it's amazing, and I can imagine if it's sunny it's going to be amazing, but as it is, it's been raining really hard all day. In fact, it's been raining on and off for the last week, but it's totally fine. I like the rain. No one told me it was going to rain. No one said go to Australia, but it's going to rain. I wasn't ready for the rain, but it's okay because I like the rain. Okay, I'm over it. It stopped raining. I wanted to get on the road and get lots of driving done and get into the sunshine basically. I love Noosa. I need to go back there when it's sunny so that I can enjoy it more. And the evening really came to life in the town with the fairy lights and the cool bars as well, and the national park. I only managed to get to explore some of it. So on the way to my next destination, I decided to stop in a random place. I've stopped in Maryborough. Okay, I had no idea that the author of Mary Poppins was born here. That's why I'm stood next to Mary Poppins, and the whole town has got pieces of the story written on it, like the chalks on the floor, the books, and some little sayings from the books around the town as well. So I'm going to have a little explore and see what I can find. Plus the sun's out, so it's really nice and warm. I'm going to find myself a juice and enjoy it. And by the way, this is a life-size statue of Mary Poppins. She's the same height as me, but definitely a lot skinnier. from Rockhampton. So I had enough of the rain. I decided to get in the car and drive all day. So yesterday I drove for 10 hours, stopping at different places where I filmed, and then arrived here in Rockhampton late last night. Turns out there's a national park down the road. So I'm going to go check out the national park this morning. I've done my workout. I did an upper body HIIT session, and I'm going to have my shake when I've got my prebiotics and my probiotics in there. It's all shaken up, ready to go. Have a shower, go to the national park, and then make my way to Mackay. Good days. Well, I was going to walk up this path to the top of this mountain, and I started walking, and I felt this piece of like pretty much rope go across my face, and I've decided not to walk up there for this reason. On the beach. Yay! Good morning from Cape Hillsborough. This is where I camped last night, and I didn't arrive until twilight, so I couldn't really see what was going on properly, but I knew that I'd booked a national park, and I knew that it was called Smalley's Beach, so I knew it was going to be on the beach. I had no idea it was going to be as incredible as this. This is literally the rainforest meets the beach, and the amount of nature here is incredible. The noises I could hear in the night, like I've never heard noises like that before. Bugs that were visiting me in the night were disgusting, and kangaroos this morning. This place is so sick. So Cape Hillsborough, and the campsite's called Smalley's Beach. I'll link it below as well. So this morning I wanted to show you an ab workout based on the Pilates theory. Check out this hole. I wonder who lives in a hole like this. So yeah, an ab workout based on Pilates. So when you're doing it, your tummy button pulled into your spine, you pull in your lower tummy and you're trying to push your lower back down towards the ground without forcing it, so you keep a natural curvature of the spine. Remember to keep your ribs lifted, almost like you're wearing a corset, and breathe out on exertion. So I'm going to show you a few different exercises. If you feel like you're starting to arch your back too much, then take it back to the beginning exercise, because it'll be an easier version. And I'll link up a video and I'll post it down below in the workout section of this channel as well, so you can join in at your own time. So let's give this ab workout a go. Join in! For watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, remember to subscribe and tell your friends. Most importantly, stay happy and healthy.